Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ahmed Al-Qadri, and today we will continue our lesson about how matter can change. And today we want to talk about some example of physical changes and chemical changes. Changes take place around you all the time. What kinds of physical and chemical changes affect you and your environment? The charts, this charts shows some examples. So, as you see here outside in the environment, as water vapor cools, it condenses into clouds. When enough drops condense in the clouds, they fall as rain. So, when the water vapor go up to the sky, it's condensed one more time. So first it will be this is an example of change of state. It was liquid in the ocean and become water vapor and condense again up in the sky and make form a clouds. And when enough drops condense in the clouds, they fall as rain as liquid again. So this is example of physical change. Outside in the environment also, some rains falls as acid rains. Acid rain reacts with limestone. It eats away at rock, buildings and status. So an acid rain is an example of chemical change when reacts with limestone. So in our body, as example of physical change, the particles of sweat carries away energy as they evaporate, so leaving you cooler. Okay, when we are sweat, so this as is example of physical change, and is example in our body. In your body as example of chemical change when the blood carries oxygen to your cells and the cells the oxygen react with the sugars. This release energy for your body to use. So I have reaction between sugar and oxygen to give us enough energy. Here in the kitchen, another example of physical change. Moist dough is easy to stretch. It can be pulled apart, braided, or shaped into rolls. So you can see I can make any shape I want in this dough. So in the presence of heat, the moist dough hardens. Baking change it into crusty bread. Right now, there is no more dough here anymore. I have in the presence of heat, it becomes into crusty change into crusty bread. So, can you think of other cases of physical and chemical change around you?